Hello dear students, now I will continue the exercise 3.3 from questions 10. Okay, so one by one just see how the question can be solved. Only prove that. Okay, question 10, take question 10 from exercise 3.3. Just for prove all the questions up to 25 questions. So some of the questions are similar. So just take few questions. So solution question 10 of exercise 3.3. So here sin n plus 1x, sin n plus 2x, sin n plus cos n plus 1x, cos n plus 2x. Okay, is equals to this cos x proof. So 10 left hand side sin n plus 1x sin 2n plus 1x sin 2n plus 1x, not n plus 2x, sorry, n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x. This is left hand side. Okay, and we have to show that this is equals to cos x. So just for proving all questions from this exercise 3.3, we require all the formulas just we have discussed in the previous class. So here we see that there are formula, very important formula. What? Sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d, and also this plus or minus can be transferred to multiplication, sin cos, cos sin, cos cos sin sin, and also reverse formula, sin into sin, sin a sin b equals to cos a cos b equals to etc. From this formula we can write. So from here we see that this sin into sin, cos into cos. Okay, so we can convert this multiplication as a addition or subtraction. Then 4 terms will be there and can be cancelled out and we can get some value. Okay, so multiplication formula will be applied. For that we know multiplication formula means what? 2 sin a sin b is equals to what? Cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Okay, we know like this formula. And also 2 cos a cos b is equals to what? Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. This is the reverse formula, multiplication to plus or minus. So these two formula can be applied here. Okay, so here we see that sin to sin, here sin sin, so we can write like this, just minus half minus 2 sin n plus 1x sin n plus 2x and plus 1 by 2 cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x. Total value. Just 2 cancel, minus minus plus. We can write like this. Now minus 2 sin A sin B. We can apply this. 2 cos A cos B. A means this, B means this. A means this, B means this. We can apply this to formula. So this is equals to minus half. We get what? In place of this cos A plus B, A means, so cos A plus B and nx plus x, nx plus x and x plus x plus nx plus 2x. Okay, and here half this is cos A plus B minus cos nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. This is first part. Second part, 1 by 2 means cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So this plus this means after multiplication nx plus x, nx plus 2x, this just like nx minus 2x. Okay, here also just like that, cos nx plus x plus nx plus 2x minus plus cos nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. This. So 1 by 2 in both. So we can take common here. So here we see that this is minus sign. So minus 1 by 2 is common. Then minus cos 3x nx nx 2x 2nx plus 3x 2n plus 3x minus here cos of minus plus cos of nx minus nx cancel, x minus 2x minus x, clear? This plus of half out. Now cos of nx 2n plus same quantity 2n plus 3x plus here we can see just like cos minus x. Now this is equals to what? We can solve it. Our target is what? Cos x. So here we see that these two quantities are same, cancel out. These two same. Cos minus x means cos x. Cos minus x means cos x. So 1 by 2 cos x plus cos x equals to 1 by 2 cos x equals to cos x equals to right hand side. So this is the proof. Here what? We take just left hand side and then multiplication. This formula are used. Okay? Since this we can use formula and just calculating. So by adjusting or reducing we can get cos x, that is right hand side. Okay. So by as same here we know these are the multiplication to plus minus, and question 11 Question 11 what? Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x means cos c minus cos d. You can use this formula. Okay, so just apply formula and you can get the result. So very simple. So just do it from yourself. Okay, question 11 you can do by using what formula? Cos c minus cos d. You know cos c minus cos d is what? Just we can see cos c minus cos d, last formula. Okay, what is last formula? Minus, just remember the formula just like picture, sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. Last formula minus to sin, and what? C plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Just like that formula. Now okay, so is in question 10, if question 10, suppose question 10, so what? Cos c minus cos d, 6 is 3 pi by 4 plus x, 3 pi by 4 minus x. So what? Minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4, 1 plus x and 1 minus x. So what? Sin c plus d by 2 means 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 means this 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus plus x by 2 minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So c means this 3 pi by 4 plus x and 3 pi by 4 minus x is d. So we can get from here to sin what? X cancel, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 means what? 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 3 pi by 4 finally. Because this plus this by 2, this cancel, this 3 pi by 3 means what? 2, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 and again 2, 3 pi by 4. Also here 3 by cancel, x square 2x be sin x. Okay, minus sin of, now it converted 3 pi by 4 means that is less than pi. Or 3 by 4 less than pi, so pi minus pi by 4. We can write like this. Now we know that pi plus or minus always no change. So equals to minus 2 sin, but it's sin pi minus pi by 4, sin of pi by 4, not change. But for the sin, pi minus 4 is in which quadrant? Here. Here sin positive, so positive. So sin pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 and this is sin x. Sin pi by 4 means, you know, 1 by root 2 sin x. So 2 by root 2 means you can write 2 root 2 sin x. I think this is right hand side in this question. Okay, minus 2 root sin x, minus 2 root sin x. Okay, so cos c minus cos d formula you can use in question 10. So okay, 10 also solved. Now take question 11. Here question 11, what? Question 11. This is the question 11. Okay, now question 12, sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to sin 2x sin dx. So take question 12. Left hand side sin square 2x minus sin square 2x minus sin square 6x. Okay, sin square 6x minus 4x, 6x minus 4x. This is left hand side, and right hand side is what? We require what? Right hand side is sin 2 10, sin 2x sin 10x. Just we will try for getting this value from here, because in trigonometry for proving question, if we forget what we require, then we can solve a long time and getting same, just like that. But our target is what? We want like this value. Okay, here two terms are separated by plus or minus, but here multiplication. So we are trying to convert it as a multiplication, but we know formula plus sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. There is the plus minus to convert multiplication, and multiplication to convert addition and subtraction. Here these are the plus or minus, so minus sign. So here sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Okay, we can get it. How? Because just sin c minus sin d, sin c plus sin d, we can apply here. How? A square minus b square, so a plus b into a minus b. So you can write like this. What? Sin 6x plus sin 4x into sin a plus b, sin a minus b. So into what? Sin 6x minus sin 4x, a plus b into a minus b. By using formula we can write. Now first sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d. Sin c plus sin d we know what? 2 sin cos, and sin c minus sin d 2 cos sin, and c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Formula we know. So here applying this formula, what? Sin c plus d by 2, 6 plus 4x. Sin we know sin c plus sin d, what? 2 sin and cos, what? C plus d by 2 and c minus d by 2. Similarly sin c minus sin d, what? 2 cos first, c plus d by 2, and then sin c minus d by 2. This is the formula we know. So use this. Sin c plus d by 2 means 6 plus 4, 10 10x by 2 means 5x. Sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d, 6 minus 4, 2, 2x by 2 x into 2 again sin 5x, no, cos 5x, cos 5x, cos 5x, and sin x. We get like this. Okay, now from here we have to set sin 2x into sin 10x. These are the in multiplication, but we want to get like this, sin 2x cos 10x. So sin 2 theta formula. So 2 times of sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, take together, and also 2 sin 5x cos 5x, 5x cos 5x. We can rewrite this, and this is equals to what? Sin 2x, and this is sin 5x. Since sin 2 theta equals to 2 theta equals to, or 2a equals to what? 2 sin a cos a. Okay, this is equals to right hand side. So that means trigonometric formula is main thing, and our technique, whatever given in left hand side and what we require in right hand side. Just remember in mind that what is our requirement. Okay, so by seeing this right hand side, we use formula. How can we convert left hand side to right hand side? Clear? Here minus a minus b square, a plus b minus b, and use this formula, this two, and multiplication you can adjust by using this formula right hand side. Okay, similarly 13 can be solved very simple. 13 is what? Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. In place of sin there are cos x. So also use cos c plus cos d, a plus b, a minus b, cos c plus cos d and cos c minus cos d formula, and then you can get multiplication formula, and then you can set for right hand side by using this formula. Okay. Same question. So do it also in copy. Okay. 13 and 14. See question 14. 14. Sin 2x, sin 2 sin 4x, sin 6x equals to 4 sin cos square x sin 4x. So question 14. Left hand side what? Sin square sin 2x to sin 4x. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x plus sin 6x. Okay, and right hand side is what? Requirement is what? 4 cos square x sin 4x. 4 cos square x sin 4x. Okay. 4 cos square x sin 4x. Clear? So this is left hand side, this is right hand side. We require this. Here multiplication, here 3 terms are in addition. So how can we set it? Here we can see x 2x and 6x. Sin c plus sin d, c plus d. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 by 2, 4. 4 can be get. So just use sin c plus sin d formula and take with together. Sin 2x plus sin 6x plus this combination is important because 6 and 2, 8 by 2, 4, here 4, so we can take like this. Okay, formula we know sin c plus sin d what? 2 sin and cos c plus d by 2 and c minus d by 2. So this formula we can use 2 sin 6 plus 2 8 by 2 4x and cos c minus d 2x minus 6x or 6x minus 2x as you like minus 4x by 2 minus 2x. We can write like this. Okay. 2 minus this minus 4x by 2 minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Our requirement is this. Clear? So here we can see 2 sin 4x cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Cos minus theta equals to cos theta. So this is equals to 2 sin 4x can be taken outside and we can get cos 2x plus 1. So we know since what formulas are used here? Minus cos minus a equals to what? Cos a, also cos 2a equals to what? 2 cos square, here cos square, so 2 cos square x minus 1. There are many formula, but here cos square x is requirement, so cos square x we can use. So from here we see that 1 plus cos 2a equals to 2 cos square x. A we can write, and here 1 plus cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a, 2 cos square a. So here 2 sin 4x into 2 cos square x we can write just like this by using that formula. Okay, so what? 4 cos square x sin 4x, this is right hand side. So these are the formula which we use in this question. Now our target is getting this. Keep it in mind for proving, because this is main thing. We want this. That's why we are using like this. Clear? So this is the solution 14. Now 15, cot 4x sin 5x plus 3x. Sin 5x minus sin 3x. Cot 4x here, cot x here. Okay, so 15 can be also solved. 15, just solve both sides, right hand side and also left hand side. You can get same result. Okay, so see question 15. Question 15. Left hand side equals to what? Cot 4x sin 5x plus sin 3x. Sin 5x plus sin 3x. And right hand side is what? Cot x only and sin 5x minus sin 3x. So here we see that just like same type of combination are given here, only one 4 here, x here, plus or minus. So is in this type of questions just you have to solve both sides and get same. Okay, so here we can solve left hand side. Cot 4x sin 5x plus sin 3x sin c plus sin d you can use. So cot 4x can be written cos 4x by sin 4x. Here 2 sin c plus d by 2. 5 plus 3 8 by 2 means 4x. Here sin 4x can be considered. Okay, cos 5 minus 3 2x by 2 cos x using sin c plus sin d formula, 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin cos c divided d by 2. So here sin 4 cancel. So we can get 2 cos 4x and cos x, just like this. Also solve this. Right hand side cot means cos x upon sin x. Cot can be written cos x by sin x. And here sin c minus sin d. So here sin c minus sin d means 2 cos first. 2 cos c plus d by 2. Cos c plus d by 2 means 4x. 5 plus 3 8 by 2 4x. And then sin c minus d means 5 minus 3 2 2 is by x sin x. So here sin cancel. So 2 cos 4x cos x. Both are same. Okay. So just we use what? Cot equals to cos y sin and sin c plus sin d. Cot equal to cos y sin c minus sin d. Clear? So there are two formulas used. Cot equals to what? Cos y sin and sin c plus sin d and sin c minus sin d. Just these three formulas are used for this. Left hand side is this, right hand side is this. We see that left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay, this is first question 15. Now take question 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These 5 questions are same questions. Just like same, not as exact same processing will be there. In 16, here we see that cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. Means cos c minus cos d upon sin c minus sin d, just use formula and you can get the right hand side. Okay, 17 also sin c plus sin d upon cos c plus cos d you can use and you can get the result. Okay, similarly 18 sin c minus, just we use question. Okay, 18 and 19 are also same. Here sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y. Sin c minus sin d and cos c plus cos d. Use formula, you can get result. Okay, same 19. Sin c plus sin d upon cos c plus cos d, you can use, get result. Now just take 20 question. Okay, same type of questions, so use formula, just very important formula. This sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. Okay, now take question 20. 16, 17, 18, 19 are just like same. So here take sin x minus sin 3x, left hand side, sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x, sin square x minus cos square x. This is right hand, left hand side, and right hand side we require what? 2 sin x. Here right hand side we require 2 sin x. 2 sin x. We require this. So here we can see sin c minus sin d formula, and also a formula since, just we can write since sin c minus sin d, just use 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, and also cos 2a equals to cos square a minus sin square a. Clear? Just we use this, then we can get right hand side. Here sin c minus sin d, this formula, so 2 cos c plus d by 2 x plus 3x, 4x by 2, 2x, cos 2x into sin x minus 3x minus 2x by x minus x, sin minus x upon, here this formula is also present, so we can write cos square x minus sin square x by taking common minus sign. So we can get here minus 2 cos 2x sin x upon minus cos 2x by using that formula, cos square minus sin square cos 2x. Okay, and this is a minus sin minus theta, sin minus a equals to what? Minus sin a. So minus minus cancel, cos cos cancel, 2 sin x. This is the right hand side. Clear? So just see what is right hand side and how can we get this, by which formula that are used in the questions. Okay, so this is question 20. Now 21, take question 21. Okay, so left hand side, here given cos 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 432, sin 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 432, cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon, same for sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x, and right hand side is what? Cot 3x, cot 3x, just like this. Okay, clear? So we require cot x. So here 3 parts are there, so we have to convert this plus addition to multiplication, then we can cancel out. So here we see that 4 plus 2 by 2, 3. So we can combine these two and these two. So we can write like this, cos 3x plus cos 4x plus cos 2x. And also here sin 3x, just we combine what? Sin 4x plus sin 2x. And we can use cos c plus cos b, cos c minus sin c plus sin d. So here cos 3x plus, to just, since cos a plus cos b equals to, and sin a plus sin b equals to, just write formula. Okay, we know this formula. Just write what? Cos a plus cos b, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, 3x, cos 3x, and cos 7 by 2, 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, cos x, upon here sin 3x, sin c plus sin d, what? 2 sin 3x, c plus d by 2, and cos c minus d by 2, c minus d by 2, 2 by 2, 2 means cos x. Okay, from here we can see cos 3x can be taken outside. So 1 plus 2 cos x upon here sin 3x can be taken out, 1 plus 2 cos x. So we get cos 3x upon sin 3x. This is equals to what? Cot of 3x. This is equals to what? Right hand side. Okay, sin cos by sin cot. So simple, these are cancelled. So we get like this. So just combine it to and use this formula. Clear? This was the question 21. Now there are 4 questions, 22, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So take question 22. Question 22. What? Cot है ना, 1 2 2 3 3 1. Cot x cot 2x minus cot 3x cot x minus 2 3 3 1. 2 3 cot 3x cot x. This is our left hand side. Okay, 1 2 2 3 3 1, 1 2 2 3 3 1 x. Okay, and right hand side is 1. We require 1, so we have to solve it, and we require the value as 1. So here we see that cot x, cot, all are cot. Okay, not cos. All are cot theta here. Clear? So here we see that for getting 1, that means we have to solve this related to cot. We know cot a plus b, cot a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b. So here cot a plus b, cot a plus b formula is what? This is equals to, you can write cot a plus b 1 minus cot a cot b. Just use trick to write formula. Cot a plus b equals to cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot a plus cot b. This is the formula. You can use this formula here. How? Cot 3x in both places, you can take common. So cot x, cot 2x minus cot 3x taken common, then we get what? Cot 2x plus cot x. Now we see that cot x, cot 2x can be get by writing this cot 3x. Here cot 3x can be write cot 2x plus x, and here if you use this formula, then we can get denominator like this, cot 2x plus cot x can be cancel out, and in numerator we get this, in which also cot x, cot 2x. So can be very solved very simple. Okay, so cot 2x plus cot x. Okay, so here cot x, cot 2x minus, use this formula. So cot 2x, cot x minus 1 upon cot 2x plus cot x, also here cot 2x plus cot x. So we see that cot x, cot 2x, these are cancelled, and here minus of cot 2x plus 1. Cot x plus 1. So we get 1. That is right hand side. So clear? This is main thing. Which formula will be used for getting 1. Okay. So now take question 23. Then 4x equals to. Okay. Take question 23. Here just left hand side 10 4x and right hand side is 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x. Right hand side is 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x. 10 square x upon 1 minus 6 10 square x, 6 10 square x plus 10 power 4x. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. We can take this side and we can get simplified as 10 4x. But here, by using formula 10a plus b, we can get right hand side from here 2 times. So formula is, we know, since 10a plus b is equals to what? 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. But here 10 4x, na? So 10 from here we can get like this, 10 2a equals to what? A b equals to a, 10 2a equals to 10a plus 10a, 2 10a upon same both 1 minus 10a square. This formula is used. This formula is used. From this formula we can get 10 to a equals to like this, na? B equals to a. So use this formula 2 times, then you can get like this here. Just like this, 10 of 2 into 2x. So 10 2 of a. So here 2 10 of 2x upon 1 minus 10 square 2x by using this formula. Now again use 10 to x equals to this formula. So 10 to x means 2 10 x upon 1 minus 10 square x upon denominator 1 minus 2 tan x upon here tan square 2x, tan 2x square, tan 2x means 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x square. Clear? Now solve it. Here 2 to 4 tan x 4 tan x. Okay. Upon we can see that 1 minus tan square x whole square as a denominator. By taking LCM we can get, or we can write like this here, 4 tan x is 1 minus tan square x. This is first part, okay, into second part 1 minus tan x square x square upon here taking LCM this square, so 1 minus tan square x square minus 2 tan x square, this, and the denominator 1 minus tan square and go to numerator. So here same thing, so one time cancel out. Now after this line we can get what? 4 tan x 1 times 1 minus tan square x, you see, and in denominator this is cancelled out, so what? A minus b whole square, so 1 square plus tan square square 10 power 4 x minus 2 into b, so tan square x plus here minus 4 tan square x, 4 tan square x, so we can get right hand side. Here just after writing we can see right hand side what? 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, so minus 6 tan square x plus 10 power 4x, this is right hand side. Okay, so just use this formula 2 times in this question, tan 4x, tan 2 into 2x, and then also tan x, so you can get there. Now question 24 and 25, same type of questions, here cos 4x, here cos 6x. So just we solve 25 and you can do question 24, same type of questions. In questions 24, cos 4x equals to prove that, here cos 3x equals to just like that. So here we solve the question 25. In cos 4x you can write cos 2 into 2x and use formula for cos 2x, that, and then once again use cos 2x equals to 2 cos 2x minus 1, just cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, use in 24 questions. Question 25, so here left hand side is what? Cos 6x, and we can get right hand side. Right hand side is what? 32 cos to the power 6x, 32 cos to the power 6x, 48 cos power 4x, 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Clear? This is right hand side. This is right hand side. We try to find this. Just cos 6x can be written like cos of 3 into 2x, because we know that formula, since cos 3x equals to, or cos 3a equals to, or cos 3 theta equals to cos 3a equals to what? 4 cos q. 4 cos qa minus 3 cos x. This is the formula. Cos 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. This formula can be used. Okay, here. So cos of 3 2x, here a. So use 4 cos of cube 2x minus 3 cos of 2x. Also use formula cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1 here, because we want the value in terms of cos. So cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So use 4 cos cube 2x, cos cube 2x. How can you find cos cube 2x? Cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 2 cos square x minus 1. This is okay. Okay, now this is equals to 4 times of, use a minus b whole cube formula. Okay, so a means 2 cos square x cube minus b cube means minus 1 cube minus 3 ab square, that means here take 2 cos square x minus 1 square. Okay, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b minus this. Okay, now plus 3 cos 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 3 2 cos square x minus 1. This up to here. Now minus 3 cos 3 you can write 6 cos square x plus 3, just like this. Okay, now here we can solve it. 8 cos power 6x minus 1, here a square minus b, a minus b whole square, that means minus 3 4 cos power 4x plus 1 minus 4 cos square x, this. Okay, by breaking this, here also plus up to 4 times of total up to 6 cos square x minus 3, this minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now we can set it, we can see here 32 cos power 6. Okay, so 4 into 8 32 cos power 6x. Here 4 cos power 4x. So here cos power 4x and only single cos power 4x is here. So 3 into 4 12, 12 into 4 48 and minus, so minus 48 cos power 4x, and then cos power is x square x. So here we see that minus 3 after multiplication, here minus 1 minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 and here plus 3 minus 1 last value, and cos square x. Here we can see 4 times of and cos square x minus plus 12 cos square x, 12 cos square x and 48 cos square x. We can set it. Just expand it and you can get result from here. Okay, 18 cos square x and minus 1. You can collect coefficient 6, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2 and constant. This is right answer. Just here for using formula cos 3x this, and then cos 2x and a plus b, a minus b whole cube breaking, and here multiplication and also a minus b whole square breaking and adjust and reduce it. You can get like this way. This is the right hand side. Okay, so this was the question 25. So exercise 3.3 is completed. So you have to do all the questions in your homework copy, and at least 3 to 4 questions, solution of 3 to 4 questions you have to send me for your attendance. Okay.